हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स आपकी कन्वीनियंस के लिए आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग दिस cartoon explanation video. I hope you will like it. But firstly, let me tell you what is the importance of these cartoons. You know, these cartoons are very, very important because these are actually depicting or commenting on any situation of that particular time. You would have seen cartoons in newspapers और ये कार्टून्स आपको किसी भी एक सिचुएशन को बहुत ही कमेंटिंग और फनी वे में आपको एक मैसेज दे जाते हैं विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो आई ऑब्वियसली दीज आर क्रिएटिव्स, यू नो. क्रिएटिव एक चीज़ है जो पॉलिटिकल साइंस में ऐड की गई है. तो जब भी हम चैप्टर्स को पढ़ते हैं तो इन दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट इसको पढ़ना इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. So let us start from our word politics book. So this cartoon is given at page number 9 in chapter Cold War era, right? So here actually this is not one, these are two cartoons. This is one and this is second one. So let me explain you the first one. In this first one cartoon, here two leaders are sitting on one bench, right? And here USSR is written and here USA is written. And USSR leader Brezhnev and US President Nixon both are sitting on one bench. It is depicting that time period of Cold War in which very easy time was that जिसमें इन दोनों के USSR एंड US की जो टर्म्स थी वो ईजी हुई थी. आपस में इनका जो रिलेशन था दैट वाज बिकमिंग वेरी मच बेटर देन अर्लियर because this cartoon is just after 1972 it was published. So here you would have seen this man who is actually Mao of China, right? USSR and China both both were socialist countries, right? But they had a rift between each other because of few reasons. And in that time period when this cartoon was published, USA visited China, means Nixon visited China, and they went for few secret agreements, right? And these secret agreements were considered like this. So that's why this cartoon is revealing that particular situation of when USA and USSR were in very easy way out. Dante, DETENTE, that was the time period which is specially known as, जिसमें peaceful relations रहे इनके, and how China is trying to maintain good relations with USA, so that is being depicted. Political spring, China makes overtures to the USA, right? Now come to cartoon number 2 on the same page, which is Food for Thought, President Johnson. So it is already depicted that who is he, right? And Johnson actually thought कि वियतनाम के बारे में ना आपने 10th में अच्छे से पढ़ा है. And in Vietnam, when in north part China was trying to control, USA interfered unduly to control or limit the influence of China, right? So this cartoon is actually showing that how USA took Vietnam very easy and कि हम तो इसको अच्छे से निगल जाएंगे या it can be our food, but that food इनको बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा पड़ा. How, right? How it's behaving, और जो जिसको वो अपना खाना बनाना चाहते थे तो उसने इनके नाक में कैसे दम कर दिया. It is showing commenting on US failure in Indochina. It was called Indochina at that time, Vietnam. Okay, and heavy casualties were faced by US के इनको even बहुत ही nuclear weapons and all भी use करने पड़े, and ये situation जो इन्होंने बहुत easy समझी थी, that was actually not easy for them, right? So ये chapter आपने पढ़ा है. I hope you would have understood and you will be able to answer the questions if this cartoon comes. Now let's come to the next one, East Asian nations. So actually here we have Dr. Manmohan Singh, who remained our Prime Minister when Congress was in power, but here this cartoon is showing that time when he was Finance Minister in 1991, and he followed Look East policy for quick developments. Okay, but he is looking worried because competition was being chosen as changing policy for India. Okay, so this burning competition and how to deal with it, for that he is looking worried, right? When we opened our borders for the foreign companies, so it is depicting that particular situation. Now next is, I hope you would have understood, this wall is actually China's wall, Great Wall of China, and this is dragon, and I think it is US trying to restrict the China's growth and development, and emergence as new center of power, and US is trying to control or limit or restrict it because US wanted to be hegemonic and only superpower, right? So it is showing the growth of China as new center of power. Then we have next cartoon, that is Chinese cycle. You know why cycle has been chosen for China? Because China is the largest producer as well as consumer of cycle, right? And this is written with red, because the importance of red color in communism. Here this is revealing the socialist political system of China, and this is showing the capitalist system, that now China is based on the mixture of these two systems, and this is the reason that dollar is showing the capitalist policy, and it is showing the socialist policy. Means these two policies are used to move this cycle, right? Means China is now moved with these two systems to grow itself fullest, right? So China is the largest user of bicycles, that's why it is being taken. And duality means दोनों तरह के systems को इसने combine किया to emerge at बहुत ही अच्छे level पे अपने आप को emerge करने के लिए, right? Now this is this cartoon is given at page number 73. Civil War of Sri Lanka is actually being shown here. So here we have Sinhala speakers, Sinhala majority, which is depicted as lion, and Litte, that is depicted as tiger. In 10th class you have studied about the civil war of Sri Lanka, and who is trying to balance it? The man in between is Rajapakse, right? President of Sri Lanka, who remained president from 2005 to 15, and later on also he got the chance to be, and he was trying to control the situation, and he really minimized their tensions, which could not be minimized earlier, right? So role played by him, and to bring an end to the Cold War, or sorry, not Cold War, Civil War, right? Civil War क्या होती है? When within one country, two groups or communities are fighting with each other,